my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear. You are like the oxygen.
Hi, my name is Nonima Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, let's continue with this Makimba and Gininda conversation because Sana, hey, Gininda. Now, if you think it ended there with Umakimba being given the number and a 100 Rand note that he declined, because in this version of events, in this version of events, it suggests investigators may have discovered that, in fact, they discovered that the incarceration records supported Makimba's explanation. But that was not the end of the story. Umakimba then told the court that Brigadier Gininda allegedly requested that he write a statement confirming that he and Marco had been indeed incarcerated during the relevant period. Now, the question that I have, okay, before that, this allegation is particularly interesting because it potentially supports part of Lieutenant Colonel Khumalo's testimony regarding the Nongoma Mentor and the verification of certain information. However, Makimba says he refused to write the statement. Right now, he refused to write a statement, but what he said to Gininda and his team that was there is that him and Marco were in jail. He proved that. And that is where what he said ends. We were incarcerated from 2013 to 2016. So there's no way that we were involved in the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, right? Now, Umakimbi, kusenziwa cross-examination now, he is confronted by Usibanda with a statement. And then Usibanda, as per usual, he is unable to prove the statement, whether it's true or not. It's a chaos. There is back and forth and everything. I'll go to that Sibanda cross-examination in another video, but I want us to focus on one thing. Now, Umakimbi tells the court that he did not write any statement. Gininda and the person that he was with, Gininda was asking questions in English. Yaka, do you remember Yaka was busy interpreting? Why is Yaka doing something that is not his job? Yaka turned from being a head of prison to become an interpreter for Umakimba. How safe is that? How safe is that? How can we trust that that was fair? Nevertheless, it happened. Okay? And then there was someone who was busy writing. According to Makimbi, all he said, me and my brother were in prison from 2013 to 2016, and that's that. Nothing further when it comes to those details. The only thing, we can't be involved in the Senzo Meyiwa case because we're in prison when he died. Sharp. Now, tell me why there is a statement of 24 pages, 24 to 26 pages. Why is Gininda having a 24 to 26 pages statement? And now Umakimba is like, Woga, that's so. I am not continuing because my statement ends here. Now, this is what I want to talk about. His demeanor. I could not see him, but the way he sounded, he's a very confident man. He knows he's right. He is a Gulgudumos, and he knows how these things are supposed to be. He's been to high courts, so they can't come and be telling him nonsense. No ways. They can't be coming to tell him nonsense, okay? He's saying, I spoke and this is what was so stupid for me. Umakimba said, I choose number one. I normally see him I used to see him where in First Lawrence Basutu Hostel. I'm not really familiar with him. We are not acquaintances at all. Now, Usibanda comes and asks questions, but he needs to point who is accused number one, and this guy gets annoyed. But the way he gets annoyed, he does not lose his cool, man. He does not lose his cool. He's like, I'm not answering that. I'm done. When it comes to that, because you are busy asking me questions about things that I did not say. Now, I am not coming into that. This is where I ended when I spoke to Ogini. The other issues that now chances are we won't hear what is inside that statement. Chances are we will not hear what is inside that statement because Mugai was like, no, you are not going to do that with me. Me, that won't fly with me. Me, I ended here. So that is where it's supposed to end. The rest of everything that you are saying, Muzi, this, I said that, he said that, I know nothing about that, and you cannot put that back to me and ask questions. Go to the person who was writing that. Me, I ended here. I was like, oh my God. And he is chilled. All of this is happening. He is so chilled. Usibanda, if you are looking at him, he is shocked because he's like, what is this now? What's going on? Mugai was relaxed. Oh, Mugai was relaxed. Mugai was not in a hurry. Mugai was chilled. And Mugai, I'm gonna put a clip. I need to put a clip for you so that you can see what happened there. You must look at Sibanda's facial expressions. We can't see my Kimba, but you must look at his facial expressions. You must look at how shocked he is. Even Baloy, when he looks at the judge, looks at Baloy, because it's like, what must I do now? It's like, what must happen now? This man is being difficult. No, I don't think he was being difficult. I think he was creating a boundary, and he was saying, respect that boundary. I said to you, I only told Gininda I was in prison. Me and Marco were in prison, and we can't be having anything to do with Senzo was murder. So it ends there. You won't be asking me. That's a boundary created by a prisoner, guys. That was so impressive. That was so impressive because now, just because someone is a criminal, it does not mean they are stupid. They made mistakes as huge. They made decisions as better. It does not mean they are stupid. We also make decisions as better. But that one, proper. I'm going to put a clip so that you can see what I'm talking about, because now Sibanda has this mentality of saying in his head, in my view, that now he's educated and no one can outsmart him. Do it. They do all the time. They outsmart the hell out of him because he's not street smart. He is book smart. There's a difference. Oh, there is a difference, Sanalab. There is a huge difference. We see it in Gosibanda because he was so confused. He got into a state of confusion very fast, didn't know what to do, frustrated, and he kept on cycling around the same question. And the defense was busy. They're saying, the objections came flooding like nobody's business. Because what are you doing now, say? Why are you doing, say? Anyway, I'm going to show you in a video. I'm going to put a clip. Please, thank you so much. Make sure you don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.
I have no evidence of this, but this was commonly spoken.
Anginabo ubufakazi baloku, kodwa ke lokhu kwakuyinto eyayikhulunywa. Spoken where?
Around Kwanongoma.
KwaNongoma. No, I don't know about
that. Statement sami for second time.
Okay,
so ngicela uma kwi-statement sami la ngasibhala khona ukuthi mina nomfowethu sasiboshiwe sasaphuma isikhathi esithile. Lokho okunye ngicela ungaqhubeki nakho lokho engakwazi ukubhala bona umuntu awakhuluma.
With regards to my statement goes as far as the witness indicated paragraph 4. During the year 2014, myself and my brother, Marco Buthelezi, were in prison. The witness then further says, my lord, anything else beyond that, my lord, I never said it and I don't know as to who wrote it.
I can identify Muzisibiya when I see him again.
Ngingamkhomba uMuzisibiya uma ngingambona futhi.
Are you able to identify Muzisibiya?
Ungamkhomba uMuzisibiya?
Ngobasho kwesenkathi ngicela uma kwi-statement sami lesigcina khona.
As I'm saying, my lord, I would just like with regards to my statement, I would just like to end where I indicated to the court that is how far I took it. I cannot proceed with anything else which I know nothing about.
But I'm asking you this question. Are you able to identify Muzisibiya, sir?
Kodwa ke lona umbuzo mina engikubuza wona ukuthi ungamkhomba yini uMuzisibiya?
Ngithi nami ngicela ukuma istatement sami ngoba ukho la ngakhuluma khona uMuzisibiya ngamtshela uGeninda ukuthi umuntu othe yimi noma uGeninda wathi uMuzisibiya ukuthi esibulele isenzo.
Which is then why I'm also requesting, my lord, that I would just like to stop there with regards to my statement. I said nothing with regards to Moses Sibiya. It was Gininda who told me that Moses Sibiya pointed fingers at me and my brother Marco. That was said to me by Gininda.
But why is it so difficult when Mr. Ramosipila asked you, you said the ACBA, you pointed towards the direction of accused number 1. So why is it so difficult for you to answer my question at this stage?
Inike manje enzima ukuthi uphendule umbuzo wami ngoba ke ngesikhathi umnumzana oRamosipile kubuza ke ukhombile nje awuzange ube nankinga uye umkhombile uMoses Sibiya.
No, but that is very unfair. Listen, that question is asked in the context of this statement. In the statement that the state is saying is trying to prove. You cannot compare what was said by Mr. Ramosipile earlier on and that which is happening now. This witness says, I said nothing about the statement that I gave. I said nothing about Moses Sibiya. And part of that which the state now wants to siphon from this witness to the effect that this statement says, I can point out to Sibiya when I see him. When this witness says, I never said that in my statement.
Yes, Mr. Doctor. Please, let me change the question now. Say, let's put the statement aside. Are you able to point out Moses Sibiya?
Thike ummeli ke akwazile ukuthi manje usengaqhathanisa kumshushisi inkulumo ke ngesikhathi ube kumnumzana uRamosipile ubuza imibuzo naloko okushiwo lana ke kwistatement ngoba ke ufakazi ke uyasho ukuthi ke akukho lutho akusho ngoMoses Sibiya. Uthi ke manje kumshushisi ake sisithathe ke istatement lesi sisibeke ke eceleni. Ingabe ungamkhomba yini uMoses Sibiya ungakaphendula?
That's lacking in intelligence, my lord, and I'm saying that with the greatest respect. That which has been asked now and that which has been tried to be asked prior to my objection are one and the same thing. There's no difference.
Awukho ke umehluko kuloko ke akwenzayo manje umshushisi naloko bengishiyo ke ngaphambili noma lokho bekubuzile ke ngaphambili.
Okay, let me ask the question. In your own evidence, you said you know Sibiya, correct?
Ubufakazi bakho wena kuwena nje ushilo ke wathi uyamazi uSibiya. Yes.
From accused 1 to 5, who is Mrs. Sibiya?
Masuka ke kumsolo wokuqala so gcina ke kumsolo wesihlanu ubani uMoses Sibiya?
I choose number 1.
Choose number 1.
Thank you, my lord. I see it's 1529. Thank you, my lord. Can we then adjourn? We can proceed on Monday. I will finalize the statement on Monday.
And I need to survive.